Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be building a bike stand that you can lift your bike up and wash it or work on it. And I think it's going to be kind of challenging, but I think we can do it. Let's get into it. So I've pre-built like the stand for it, and I think what we can do is put a big piece of wood up here that'll eventually end up holding the bike. So the plan is to mount this stud from a wall right here about, and it'll hold the bike up top, and that'll be basically how it works. And I think all like this piece and this piece are going to support it, and this frame will make it so it doesn't fall. So that's the plan, but let's see if it works, and we might have to make some changes, but I think we can do it. So the first thing we're gonna have to do is move this piece just out, so when we put this in, this will act as a support for the stud. So I think we can start on that. It's just a matter of taking 4 screws out of the wood, so I think that's pretty easy. So we got the beam on, the support, but now we gotta get this piece on to hold it in the back so it doesn't fall that way. But that's the easy part, is we just drill 2 more holes there, 2 on the other side, and we're good to go. Okay, so for our next step, we're gonna want to make sure this piece of wood is stable. So by doing that, we're gonna lock it in place just like that, and we just drill them in, and it should be easy, but we'll see. We have successfully made the base, which is a great start, but we have one more thing to do. We're gonna take these 2 pieces of wood. You wanna mark where to put these on here to hold the bike, but if it's just like that, it'll fall forward, so you want some support in the back. So you should make lines so you know where to drill into the piece of wood. So I'm gonna do about there. Hey guys, this looks really cool. I think we did a great job on it, but we don't know until we test it, so I think we should give it a test. We're gonna put my bike on it, which is right here, and we're gonna see if it holds it. Looks really great, and it holds. That was the main purpose. So yeah, I'm so excited that this works. So the main use I'm going to get out of this is when I clean my bike, but I can use it and make sure it shifts properly and do all that. So, and it'll help like me clean my chain. It's really cool, and I'm excited that we built it. So there it is, a bike holder made out of cheap plywood. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all later. Bye!